Gets ko na yung hype sa microphone na to. Kasi naman, wireless, dual clip-on meaning pwede mong i-clip or i-magnet, depende sa paggamit mo. Tapos may receiver na at charging case pa. Stable yung 2.4 GHz wireless connection hanggang 50 meters. May noise reduction at wind filter para malinaw kahit medyo maingay. At syempre, battery life na tumatagal up to 45 hours with the case. Normally, this is how it sounds like outside kapag walang microphone. Now, this is how it sounds like kapag naka-on yung microphone. Ganito naman yung tunog kapag naka-on yung noise cancellation feature. Sulit na sulit talaga to for only around 460 pesos. Meron ka na magagamit for quality audio, for content creation like vlogs or product reviews. Sulit na sulit tong TNW 830 microphone.